Taking control of your Windows 11 startup, I'll guide you on how to safely disable Fast Startup. Stay tuned for a quick and efficient way to customize your system preferences. Press Windows plus S to launch the search menu. Search for Choose a Power Plan. Click on Choose what a power plan do. Press on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now, untick the checkbox for Turn on Fast Startup and then click on Save Changes. Press the Windows key plus R, type Regedit, and click OK. Navigate to the path below in the left pane. H key, local machinum systemo, current control sets control and session, manager. A power now. Double-click the Hyperboot enabled option. Finally, set its value data to 0 and click OK. Press the Windows key plus R, type gpdetit.msc and click OK. Navigate to the path below in the left pane. Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System Shutdown. Now double-click the Require Use of Fast Startup option in the right pane. Finally, tick the Disabled Radio button and click Apply, followed by OK.
Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. If so, hit like and subscribe for more content.